Hey everybody, James Clark. I'm here in Sabal Point, particularly at 426 Twisting Pine Cir. I got a treat for you, but I got a question. Are you looking for like a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, maybe just under 2,500 square foot, pool home, no rear neighbors, loaded granite, amazing kitchen, open concept, split bedrooms, maybe an amazing outdoor space? Seminole County Schools? Am I ringing a bell? Is that sounding really good? If so, I have a treat for you. You need to come inside and take a look. Come on. What'd you think of the inside? Awesome, right? Well, this outdoor space is pretty spectacular too. I love that there's no rear neighbors, and nor will there ever be. No development here. But look, this pool is huge. Classic Sabal pool, right? This pool can handle any summer pool party you throw at it, but it's got tons of covered seating here as well. Outdoor summer kitchen. Can you hear? Nothing but birds chirping, privacy, you name it. So look, this house is loaded. It's got all of the upgrades, and this outdoor space really is the icing on the cake. So if you're interested and you have any questions or you want to set up a private showing, contact me today. Thanks so much for watching this video. Take care. God bless.